How to download WhatsApp View Once photos and videos on Android or iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now to download WhatsApp View Once photos and videos on Android, first of all launch the WhatsApp application. Now it's directly not possible to download the View Once photos and videos on Android. So what we can do over here is tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and select on settings. Tap on the option of chats. Scroll down and tap on the option of chat history. Select on the option of export chat at the top of the screen, and here you can simply select any chat or View Once photos that you want to download it from. So I'm going to select on one of this chat over here and then tap on include media. As you do that, you can simply tap on wherever you would want to send it. So you can simply select any of this option. I'm going to select on the messenger option. It gives that access over here and then tap on send. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.